Hey, what's up, guys? Me, David here, nickname Alex, and today we are here. Yeah, we're in the new house. I didn't see this, but yeah, it's upstairs now, so I can walk up to upstairs now, and we have a lot of things. Oh yeah, this is the bathroom right here. Yeah, I'm just reviewing this house. And yeah, I also brought my birds with me. I did not throw them away. I did not sell them or anything. I'll put them somewhere outside, and I'll bring them. I don't bring them inside anymore because this house is very clean. Oh yeah, over here we have a. Over here we have a lot of things. There's Netflix. There's a lavender vacuum right there. A little tiny cute shoe for my niece Sophia. Oh yeah, also we replaced this to the DirecTV DirecTV box. Now we replaced it with this because the other DirecTV box was broken, so we just wanted to do it like that. Yeah. And over here we have a lot of things here. We have the broken massage right there. What are you looking at, dude? Ew. Or whatever. Here's the little popcorn thing on. Popcorn. What is it? Popcorn bucket? Oh yeah, sorry about that. It's a popcorn bucket to put popcorn inside or whatever you want inside. I'm reviewing this house. Sorry. I'm not. Oh!
You're gonna give me some more?
Yeah, they're good. They're pretty good. Oh yeah, I also made a pretty good project in my free time.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I made
Lisa?
It's not Lisa. It's Maggie. Maggie, and then Lisa.
Where's Bart and Homer?
They're in the back. Forgot to color them.
Are you gonna watch all 600 episodes or 500?
Yeah, probably.
Thanksgiving?
Yeah. And then this one is. Yeah.
Come and join me. Eat some chips.
Now I have to review this house.
Don't fucking show our pictures!
Why not?
Don't!
Sorry. I didn't even get that. I was moving fast.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Oh yeah, also I also forgot. This is our backyard right here.
It's a patio!
Patio! Sorry about that. Patty. Just like your sister.
Show them your egg!
Not yet. Oh yeah, estamos vendiendo la botes aquí. Because it's a workshop. Oh yeah, the plants over here. We have 100 plants, and a brush to brush your hair or your butt. I said butt. Oh shit. A lot of birdies right here. So cute birdies. This guy bites now. He's trying to bite me. Look at he's dancing and shit. Yeah, we have the nest already, so you can tell he's laying eggs or something.
Did you guys hear that loud ass fucking sneeze right now? Yeah.
What's going on?
Was it in here? No.
Oh, how do I look with these high heels?
Don't put them on.
I want to put them high heels.
They're not high heels.
What are they then?
They're flat.
I want to wear high heels. See how I look like.
No, David, you're not a girl.
Just kidding. Hey, can you teach me how to ride a bike? I want to learn. Cause I never ride a bike before. I mean, I did. I fell. I fell to death.
You fell to death.
Yeah, I can't. We can't go outside because we don't have any shoes on. I mean, we could go outside right here, but not this backyard because we don't have any shoes. Anyways, this house is pretty awesome. I mean, I enjoyed it, but except it has a long ass stairs for some reason. We almost forgot. Pancho, I mean, the blackbird, I don't know, Hazel? Yeah, Hazel, the black one with the black face. He laid an egg. You can see the egg right there. I don't know if you can see it. There's the egg right there. It's not fake, it's real. I mean, I'm gonna be a grandpa because I'm their dad. And it looks like that they're mating again. Yep. Wait, no. You forgot this. Oh, never mind. It's Dad's.
What happened?
Can I help you? Can I help you with this? But I want to do the job for you. So I can earn my point to go to Universal Studios.
Hola, Meli. Go see what Meli wants.
Okay. Alright, let's go watch robots. Okay. Let's go watch robots. Come on.
Then stop recording.
I'm not recording. I'm not gonna even get it you.
Stop recording.
It doesn't turn on. I think the batteries are dead. How do you make this controller work for the tele? I mean TV. Do you press this button? Do you press this?
What?
This button.
Say, hold on. I'll do it.
Oh yeah, I was also searching of. I don't think this is on. Come on, turn on. There we go. Alright, so gotta spell my password. Okay. Oh fuck. Sorry about that. I was searching of how many days. Shh.
You want to watch robots or Megamind?
I don't know, but I'm searching right now. I'm recording. Birds. I found it on the bird of your heart. Okay, there it is. Alright, let's see the images. Alright, these are the images. Oh, look at this!
Pancho's gonna kill his own baby.
Yeah. Anyways, this is the picture of
The baby?
the. No, that's not the baby.
Obviously, the dad takes care of more of the baby than the mom. You do know that, right?
Oh my God, amazing.
It's weird. I don't know why, but yeah.
Anyways, this. Oh look at this! Look this. These are the birds I used to have, but he died.
You got no birds?
I used to have one of these. Remember?
What? You got birds?
I mean, no. I mean, I used to have one of these, like the lovebirds.
You mean Leo and Gia?
Yeah, Rio and Gia. The black one. It's like the black one. His name is Gia, and that one that I just showed right now is what?
What happened to Gia?
He flew away.
Throw away?
Yeah. No, I mean the egg is not big as like this one. It's like little, like this tiny.
Oh my god, I want to see it now. I want to see how bubbled it's going to be.
Oh my god, you're so weird.
They don't get their feathers until like...
Who posts this? Oh my god.
I mean, they have no fucking light.
Yeah, right. Anyways, yeah, those are the pictures of the birds laying eggs. I mean the eggs. How many days does the bird lay the eggs? Let's see. It says to 12 to 14 days, which is the female usually all the it's probably. And there's a lot of videos of it. So the baby bird egg hatching, YouTube, and Google, which is telling you to which number to. Everybody knows Google. I mean, I'm not that stupid. Yeah, I'm just showing this to you because I'm bored. Shh. I'm just showing you guys this because I'm very bored and have no life. So
You have no life? Did you just fucking tell you something?
yeah. I have no fucking life, man. I'm fucking broke, dude. I have no money. I have no car license.
Driver's license.
I mean, driver license. I do drive a car. I do drive to work.
You know how to drive, huh?
Yes, I do. I used to drive the
Kobo.
I used to drive I can almost reach the pedals now. I'm like getting like older now.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Oh look, Pokemon Go, which is a new app for the App Store.
Fuck Pokemon Go. I don't even play no more.
Yeah, it's fucking boring shit. I mean,
It's fucking boring.
yeah, the show. Do you think the show is for kids? I mean, it kind of looks like an anime, but
That's the only anime that doesn't say really bad words.
what?
That one? Pokemon?
Yeah.
Doesn't.
Oh yeah, sometimes the anime Dragon Ball Z say bitch and do you say fuck?
Yup.
Yeah, they say fuck as well.
The early ones like Dragon Ball Z, not Dragon Ball Super. I don't know.
Dragon Ball Z XX, like that. It was on Adult Swim, but it's not an adult show anymore. It's like a kid show because sometimes they make an accident.
Want to watch Robots? Because if not, so I can watch Naruto.
Go watch Naruto. Sorry about that. Anyways, yeah, that's all the thing for the birds. Yeah. So what happened was I wasn't recording it, but I just ran down really fast and like it almost fell, and for some reason I saw an egg. I thought it was a ball or something. Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Nah. Anyways, this as you can see, this is just a picture of an egg right here, which is it telling you to how many days does it hatch. So it looks like for 12 to they sit on the eggs for 12 to 14 days. The female usually does all the impaling. So yeah, that I'm just showing you that for some reason. Anyways, I'm just go exit out, and we're done. So oh yeah, this is a little Universal Studios thing. For this thing is for this to scan the pass out. So
Who is that? Who is that?
what?
Who is that?
I'm not telling you.
What did you say who it was?
Tomorrow? Quit it. Yeah. Oh yeah. We didn't. Wait. Did we have this app before? Did we buy this?
Hey, what time is it for real?